Good morning, class. So today we start the exercise 1.1, question number 1. First question is write the additive inverse of each of the following rational numbers. Suppose a number is given 3 upon 7. We have to write the additive inverse of 3 upon 7. So additive inverse of 3 upon 7 is, now change the sign, simply change the sign. If plus is there, then you have to do the minus. If minus is there, then you have to do the plus. So it will be minus 3 upon 7. Now B part, one more part I will do, like minus 2 upon 9. So the additive inverse of minus 2 upon 9 is, only change the sign. 2 upon 9 is the answer. So this is your first question. Now two remaining parts are there, minus 11 upon 20 and 4 upon 5. These are homework. Now question number second. Second I will do. Question number second is name the property using in each of the following. First one is 2 upon 11 plus minus 2 upon 11 is equals to 0. Is equals to minus 2 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. Sorry. So here we have to tell which property is used here. Name the property also and we have to solve also. So the question is that 2 upon 11 plus minus 2 upon 11 is equals to 0 and minus 2 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. So this is the inverse property of addition. If you learn that property of addition, there are properties there which is inverse property of addition. Okay, this is the inverse property of addition. Now second part is there. Second part is 8 upon 17 plus 3 upon 14 is equals to 3 upon 14 plus 8 upon 17. Now this is the commutative property of addition. Here also addition is there and a plus b is equals to b plus a, which is the commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Clear? Now remaining two parts are there, same as it is, you have to do. Two are homework. Now question number third, verify. Verification is there in the question number 3. In question number 3, verify that we have to verify minus of x, means minus of x is equals to x. This we have to verify, and the value of x is minus 2 upon 7. X value is minus 2 upon 7. This is your first part. Now put that value in the given question here. So we have to put the value minus, then minus. What is the value of x? Minus 2 upon 7. These are the formula of minus only. Okay, these are the formula of the question. Now one more minus 2 upon 7 we have to prove. Is equals to x value minus 2 upon 7. Now look at that. This minus will be what? Plus. And this is also minus 2 upon 7. Now again minus 2 upon 7. And here also what? Minus 2 upon 7. Very easy question. Simply we have to put the value of x in the given question. The value of x is minus 2 upon 7. Here we have to put 2 minus are already in the formula. One more minus is there. Minus will be plus and minus will be again minus 2 upon 7. Similarly, a second part is there, which is homework. Now last question for the today class, question number 4. Question number 4 is there. Note down this. I think now fourth one. Fourth question is verify the closure property of addition of the following rational numbers. Means only we have to do the addition. A simple addition we have to do. What is the closure property? Read the definition first. The closure property of the addition. I think I already told about the closure property of addition. That simply we have to add it, and whatever number we get, this is also a rational number. This is only the property. Now exercise question fourth one. The number is like 11 upon 13 and minus 5 upon 3. This is the closure property of addition we have to prove here. Simply take the LCM, means add both of the numbers. 11 upon 13 plus second one minus 5 upon 3. Now 11 upon 13 plus minus will be minus 5 upon 3. Now what is the LCM? If you don't know the LCM, simply what you have to do, multiply it. 13 3s are this one. 13 3s are what? 39. Now 3 into 11, 33 minus 13 into that 5. 13 into 5, that 5 3s are 15, 1 will be carry, and 65. 13 5 is 65. Now 33 minus 65 we have to do. 5 minus 3 2, 32 upon 39. That minus 32 upon 39. So this is also what? A rational number is there. This is also a rational number. So we have to verify we will verify that this is followed by closure property of addition. This is also a rational number. Now same as it is, a second part is there, where also we have to add the numbers only. Simply we have to add it. Minus 4 upon 7 and minus 2 upon 7. A simple hint I will given to you. Second part, last part of the class. Minus 4 upon 7 and that minus 2 upon 7. Add it, means minus 4 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 7. Now LCM is what? Plus minus first. Plus minus minus. Now the number is same only. So minus 4 minus 2. No need to multiply it. Minus 4 minus 2 is what? Minus 6 upon 7. This is also what? A simple rational number. We can write in the form of P upon Q. So these are the questions for the today class. Now some homework are given to you in each question, and in the next class we discuss the few questions. Thank you class.